I'm playing Roblox Fortnite.
Well,
That's my friend playing on my phone.
I'm still for him, but don't do that. I don't like people like that. Like, if you just first cheat, and then you cheated. But you make a
Go on, get that fully do. Go on, get that fully do. Go on, get that fully do. Hold on, guys. Go on, get that fully do. Man, please get some wiggles on my Big Mac. You know what I mean? Cause the hair no thick that. Guys, look it. Go on, get that fully do. Go on, get the fully do. Go on, get the fully do. Go on, get the fully do. Hold on. Yeah, please. This is how bots edit. This is how bots edit. She be like, cash on shorty, gonna get my 40. Nutty, gonna get my 40. Post, I'm doing. I'm post. Close dude. Cash out, shorties, young nigga my body, cash out, nutties, yeah. Cash out, muddies, gonna get my 80s, gonna get my 80s, yeah. Dash out, boys, gonna get my 40, dash out, 30. Guys, I will be a hobbit, look guys. Smooth beer. Cold beer. God beer. May I please get some pickles on my Big Mac. I want to see me do my other edits. Okay, I will try to. Like, that's the only edit I know how to do in this game. See what else I know how to do. Okay, let's see. I want to see me. Gonna get that. Oh, hey, hold up. See, I don't know how to do it. Hold on, you want me to see? Let me see if I can make it invisible. I'm gonna see if I can do it invisible. Gonna get it fully do. Gonna get it fully do. Gonna get that fully do. Hold on. See y'all want to look at cash out, shady, gonna get my money. If y'all playing the game on PC, or my elbow's gonna work. Like I did on both my hands earlier. So keep pressing it. Well, bye guys.